Okay, and we are going to introduce the final variable, which is objects. And we are going to talk about objects here. So with objects, I'm going to create a variable called cars. And cars equals squiggly brackets. And these are going to be objects here. So we're going to say model and Civic and comma, and then year, gonna give it a year, Honda Civic 2001, color blue. All right, so that's an object, just like that. Let's create a couple more objects. Let me copy that. Well, first I want to show you how to display an object, and it's done with a dot. So Honda dot model should say Civic in the console now, because that's how you can display objects. JavaScript is a object-oriented language, so it's a Civic. So that's how you would display something from an object in the console like that. You just use the dot. So let's do a few more objects here, and we're going to change it up. We're going to say Toyota. And instead of Civic, we're going to say Camry. And it's going to be a 2010. And instead of blue, we're going to say red. So red Camry. And this is going to be a Ford. And it's going to be a Fusion. I believe I said Fusion. And the year is going to be 2007. Color gray. Okay, so those are your objects right there. And just to show you how you can display those in the console, just like we did for the model, we could do the same thing that we did for Honda, for Toyota, and Ford as well. So instead of Honda, it'll be a Toyota.model. And instead of Honda, it'll be Ford.model. So we're going to display this in the console now, and it's going to show Civic, Camry, and Fusion. And that's how it would display. And just to show you that how you could change things by using a dot, you can just type Ford.model equals quotation marks F-150. And now, instead of it being a Fusion, like it says right there, it's going to say F-150. So that's how you can change the value. Just whatever you type towards the bottom is going to override what you had above.